back in this pretty little box. And then I'm gonna go call my husband and complain about it. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I look real dusty today. Please don't mind me. It's early in the morning. It's like 9 o'clock. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the hula fit that came out like a year ago. But I'm doing it because I finally had took her damn money to buy it. So, because I was trying to get money to buy something else. But it came yesterday. And I opened it. I waited to open it just for y'all because I was about to open this thing yesterday. But it came in a box like this. New, if you're new to it, you gotta do 10 minutes. If you're a new hula hoop, so 10 minutes. 35 minutes is for yoga. 45 minutes is for cycling. An hour is for swimming. 800 calories burnt. So we're gonna do 10 minutes because I was watching videos. I actually wasn't. I watched one video. So I watched one video. Oh, you got this. You get this a bag. I don't know what to do with the bag. But I was watching one video, and it was like, oh, you're supposed to do it like 30 minutes a day, and nobody could do it. Like I watched one video, and nobody could do it. So sorry. Nobody can do it. So I was like, let me try. Because why nobody else can do this shit? So like, it's time. It's time. It's time. It's a bull crap. So nope, not this way. I'm sorry. This is unprofessional of me. But, I don't know how to do this. Let's put this down. But here go the ball. The ball. It feels like 2 pounds. Y'all see me struggling? Yeah. I just could never find the hole. Found it. Found it. Then you put the ball on. Yeah. You put the ball on. So I know it goes this way. So you put the ball in. This way. And then see like this. I think I should have put my hair up. And then I don't know what to do. I think I need to pick because I got like these two right here too. But I think they're replacements. So like when you pop up, you would get two. Like that. Oh, I can't see my foot. Let's step back, step back, step back. I should get my hair up. Let me see. Hopefully it fits me. It fits me. And then lock it in. And then let's put my hair up. I got a before picture down below that I took like a week ago. So I'm gonna post that so y'all can see. And then this only day 1. I don't know if I should do like weekly videos or what. But here it goes. Here it goes. But I don't know if I do weekly videos or what. But right now it's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So we're gonna try doing it for 10 minutes this way. Okay, that's a good one. I'll try again. Okay. Okay, failed again. I keep failing at this. It's said do not exercise within half an hour before a meal. I thought I was going to be able to eat after this. So now I got with an hour. Let's try this again. I ain't hoop in a while. That's one thing you should know how to do. Know how to hoop. Oh, stop getting stuck. Yo, I ain't gotta be doing something wrong. Like, what I'm doing wrong? Okay, let's try the right way. So we're gonna go to the right now. This is a big fat. It's not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? It's not working. Okay, let's try adjusting it. Matter of fact, let's take this the hell off. Like, is it not too tight? Like, I don't know. And I'm getting frustrated. And my hair getting frustrated. And this is not me at all. I'm taking my money back. This don't work about mine. This is a foul. Please don't mind my shirt. This is a foul though. Like, an epic foul. So, if you got this and know how to freaking use it, please tell me down below. Okay? Please, because this is not working for me. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? I didn't even count it. So I'm going to put it back in this pretty little box. And then I'm going to call my husband and complain about it. And then I'm going to go to Amazon because I got boxes of other stuff that I had put to the side for this. But I don't know how to put this away. So, but I got to put it away because if I don't put it away the correct way, then I can't send it back. I don't know. I'm upset. That's the end of this video. Please give me any tips or advice down below. Because that thing not spinning. It's not spinning at all. Like, it's not spinning. And my hair look a mess. I look like this. But have a wonderful day. Bye. Talk to you later.